Future entrepreneurs, Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Today we have made it to day number 99 of this My Lead Gen Secret Challenge. And if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, we are grabbing one offer from a site called clickbank.com and we're using a service called My Lead Gen Secrets. Okay, we're putting those two together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn a full-time income doing so within 1 year. Right. So I'm here to show you guys how easy it is to make money from this method. And if you guys want to get started, I will have some information below this video for you guys to get started. So we're almost at that day 100. We're almost there, guys. Just follow along with me, subscribe to this channel so you can kind of see this thing through the end. If you guys want to go back for these previous videos, kind of get up to speed on where we are, I would recommend doing so. Okay, so we're on day number 99. Let's go ahead and get right to it, guys. Take you over to a site called My Lead Gen Secrets. This is an email platform where you can go. You're going to get 100 to 200 e-business, e-marketing. I call them business opportunity subscribers every single day. Okay. Your back office is going to look exactly like this, guys. Every day you come into this back office as a member, you're going to see brand new fresh leads every single day, which is pretty cool. Now, just a little bit about myself. I've been with My Lead Gen Secrets for a long time now, over 3 years now. Okay. I totally love the service. I've promoted so many different offers to this traffic, and I can tell you that it does work. It does convert. Okay. The only thing about this traffic, guys, that it is cold traffic. So these people have to get warmed up to you first before they started to purchase from you, okay, or started to open up to you a little bit more, okay. So you have to come in every single day and send out emails every single day, okay. It's very important that you do that. I have 8 different accounts. Okay. And the cool thing about this My Lead Gen Secret system is that you can have multiple accounts. All right. Which is pretty cool. So I did leave a link below this video. Okay. For you guys to get started with the My Lead Gen Secret. All you got to do is come down here where it says join My Lead Gen Secret and click on that. It'll take you to the landing page and go ahead and get started with your account today. Okay. So, your back office is going to look exactly like this, guys. The only thing different is going to be the emails that you send out versus what I send out. Okay. But everything else is going to look the same. All right. So the place where you're going to be hanging out at is where you're going to send all your emails is going to be in the mailing system. So what we would do is click on mailing system. Okay. And you come down here and you click on select all. Okay. What that does is transfers your emails over. That way it can load up however many emails that are getting ready to go out. I mean, however many subscribers that this is going to touch. Okay. Now this one email that we're getting ready to send out is going to go out to over 185,000 people. So you want to come down here where it says subject line and then also a body. Okay. Now I've already sent out my emails today so far, so I'm not able to send one out till another 24 hours. Okay. Which will be tomorrow around the same time. Right. So let's go ahead and find a subject line and find a body of text that we can send to this traffic. Okay. Now, the cool thing about these offers on ClickBank, they already have pre-written emails that swipes that you can use. Okay. So we're using for this challenge, we're using a offer on ClickBank called Live Chat Jobs, which is social sales rep. Okay. Now, this is a business opportunity offer. Okay. This teaches people how to make money online. And right now, a lot of people love it. Okay. They're signing up and they're, staying with this program. So this is one of the top offers on ClickBank. Okay. And this is the offer that we'll be using for this challenge. All right. Now, you don't actually have to use this one. There's other offers on ClickBank in the e-business, e-marketing section that are similar to this. Okay. And they all have email swipes that you can use, free email swipes that are known to convert. Okay. That's why they have them here because they know they work and they make money. Okay. So let's go ahead and go down here to these email swipes. Okay. Now, if you've been watching these videos, we have been sending out emails, all of these emails, and then just going back over and sending the same ones over and over and over again. Okay. That's pretty much all you have to do, guys. I mean, after you send these emails out, if you want to switch things up, maybe repurpose these emails by going maybe like to Chat GPT or some other email service where you can come up with these emails, come up with unique emails. Okay. I would recommend doing so. Okay. But for the sake of this challenge, we're just going to kind of keep it simple and just kind of go through all of these emails and just repurpose them. Okay. Now, maybe a little bit, later in the series, we'll get into a little bit more advanced emails. But for right now, we're just going to stick, keep it easy right now. So what we will pretty much do, since we're looking for a subject line and the body of text, we have it right here. Okay, so here's the subject line. And then here's the body of text that we're going to use. Okay. So if you know how to copy and paste, you can do this method, guys. It's super easy. So Control C, come back over here to the mailing system, Control V. Like that's it, guys, right? Come down here to the text. Make sure you click on perfect timing. Come back here to the offer, and then you want to grab this body of text, right? Just super easy, right? We want to grab that all the way down to where it says signature. Now, underneath every email, guys, the cool thing about these emails is that they have an affiliate link that goes with this email. Okay. So whatever this email is talking about, this affiliate link, when you go to this affiliate link, it's going to be talking about this email. Okay. So it's congruent. All right. So it's very important that you take this link and you put it with this email. All right. So let's come back over here and we want to Control A, Control V, right? Come in here, take out where it says signature. Where it says signature, it basically wants you to put in your name or management, whichever one. Okay. I'm just going to put in my name. I'm going to come back up here where it says hi name. We want to take that out and we want to address our prospect by their first name. Okay. So we want to just take this, Control C, come back over here, and then we want to Control V right here, right? So let's do that, Control V, and then boom. So also at the very bottom, where that affiliate link is, there's going to be some kind of call of action text, okay? And it's usually going to be in bold text. And that's the cool thing about these emails is that they all have a call to action text at the bottom, okay? So it's always going to be somewhere like around at the bottom or at the middle. Okay, it's going to be either at the middle and at the bottom as well, or somewhere up in here. And you're going to look for that bold text. So it's always a call to action sentence. So it'll say like, click here to learn more, get started now, apply here, or whatever, right? So on this one, it says clicking this link, right? So what we want to do is we want to take this affiliate link, Control C, come back over here to the mailing system, and we want to grab this right here and we want to turn this into a clickable link. And how you do that is you come up here to where this link tab is, and then this is where we're going to insert the link. So you Control V, and then you want to come back here, and then you want to take this out and you want to put in your affiliate ID. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. All right, so don't put in mine, put in yours that you came up with when you made your ClickBank account. Okay. So, and also, if you don't have a ClickBank account, go to clickbank.com. It's free to get started. It doesn't cost you a dime. Okay. You can go and get started and start using the same offers or whatever offer that you want in the e-business, e-marketing section today. Okay. So you can literally watch this video, go get your account at the link below this video. Okay. Right here. You can go get your account, set up as many accounts as you want. You can start sending emails today and potentially start getting in front of your first 100 or first 200 people today, starting today. Okay, guys. So, as you can see, this is it turns into a clickable link. What I like to do is make this a little bit bigger, either 18 or 16, whichever one, right? So right now, this email is ready to go. Okay, so as you can see, we are addressing our prospect by their first name. So when this email goes out, it'll say like, hi, Jermaine, hi, John, hi, whatever your name is, right? And then it goes into the email and lets them know about the opportunity, lets them know about however many hours that they'll work and how much the earning potential as well. Okay. And then right here, there's a clickable link. So when somebody sees this, they're going to click on it and it's going to take them to our affiliate page. And our affiliate page is going to do all the selling and telling for us. Okay. So you can play around with this. Right now, I'm just direct linking using the direct link going to the affiliate page. But you to help conversions, you can always build a landing page or some kind of squeeze page or a bridge page, right? For this email, if you like. And we'll, like I said, we'll get into that stuff later in the series because that will actually boost your conversions. Okay. Right now, I'm just doing something super simple. But in my other accounts that I have, because I do have other QuickBanks accounts, I do use landing pages and bridge pages for this same exact offer. Okay. But right now, we're making money just basically direct linking. But once we start transferring over to bridge pages and squeeze pages and things like that, we'll test the conversions and we're going to put those two together and we're going to see which one performs the best. All right. So, but for right now, for the sake of this video, okay, we're just going to be direct linking to our affiliate link, which still works. Okay. We're still earning money and still getting conversions that way as well. But eventually we'll dive a little bit deeper into this method. All right, guys. So down here at the bottom, there's going to be two links. One is going to say preview and one is going to say send now. Okay. You want to click on the preview tab. What that does, it pulls this email up in real time. You can click on this link. Okay. And then it'll take you want to make sure that it goes to your affiliate page. Now, whenever it goes to your affiliate page, you want to be looking for your affiliate ID in the URL. Okay. That's very important. That's very important that you're looking for that. Okay. That way, you know that this affiliate link works. It's going to your affiliate page. Everything loads up and, everything looks good. Okay. So that's what you want. And then after you click on that link and it works, you click on send now. Boom. We just sent out an email in the mailing system. And then pretty much if you got multiple accounts, you would just leave this open and then just open up another tab, going and then log out of the account in the second tab and then log in under your second account and then copy and paste everything over. Okay. So you're not having to go back here to the offer and doing this all over again. You already have it built right here in your first account. And then all you got to do is transfer, control A, control C, and then paste that over to your new account, right? It's super easy to do. Okay. So that's it, guys. That's how you send out an email in the mailing system. And like I said, if you guys want to get started today, I will go ahead and click on this link right here. There is just a one-time charge of $60 to get started and then $30 a month to keep the service, right? It's just a no-brainer, guys, for you guys to go ahead and get on board. Every affiliate marketer needs traffic, guys. So instead of having to run solo ads and, purchase, traffic, at this moment, this is probably going to be the easiest method to do. And then also with this traffic, this is traffic that you can come in and repurpose every single day. Okay. So every single day you can come in and send out an email and it doesn't cost you anything. You're not paying for campaigns. You pay your monthly fee every month and you can send out as many as emails as you want. Okay. Over time, right? So you can send out an email every single day. You can send out an email blast and it'll go to thousands and thousands, hundreds of people when you're first starting out. As you get to, a couple of years into this thing, you're gonna build up thousands of people. Okay. And then eventually it's gonna be millions, right? And that's the whole goal here, is to get, tons of eyeballs to our offer. And then once we get to a certain point, we're going to, you'll see the difference. All right. So let's go ahead and go over here to ClickBank. Okay. This is clickbank.com. All right. This is kind of where you'll be going to see the results from your emails that you're sending out. And as you can see, the algorithm looks like we've been getting sales every other day. Okay. And every day. Okay. Sometimes we'll get them back to back. Sometimes it'll take a couple days to get, but a sale. But what I've seen here is that these sales are starting to get closer and closer and closer together. Okay. Now today is the 27th. Oh, right now it's after midnight, but we're shooting a video for the 27th and we didn't get a sale today or yesterday, whatever. Right. So let's go ahead and go to the reporting tab. Okay. We're on day number 27. Okay. Now we did get some decent traffic here. Let's see here. So we are promoting social sales rep. Okay. Today we got 756 hops, 735 unique hops, which is, pretty good, right? So these are brand new IP addresses that touched our website. Okay. Now we didn't get any order form impressions. These other links that I have are just from free traffic that I do on YouTube. So, but that's not what we are promoting. Okay, we're promoting with the My Legion secret emails. Okay, just this offer right here. Okay, now we didn't get any unique order form impressions or anything like that. We didn't get any initial sales. I believe we did earn some money yesterday, and we did get a sale day before yesterday, or I'm not able to remember, guys. I'd have to go back and look at those videos from the day or the day before. And then also we didn't get any rebills today. Okay. So Sundays are usually, a little strange sometimes. With Sundays, maybe people are not looking at emails or, dealing with emails and wanting to do stuff on Sundays for some reason. It seems like Sundays, if we don't have a rebill, we're not getting an initial sale. Okay. But no biggie because, like I said, we're still new into this thing as far as sending out our emails. I mean, for this challenge. Okay. We're not, too far off in it. Okay. We're still kind of in those beginning stages where we're going to get those hit and miss sales. Okay. So unfortunately, we didn't get one today. But tomorrow, okay, which is, Monday, okay, I will be looking for either an initial sale or a rebuild. I believe that we did get a sale a couple of days ago that should be paid out possibly tomorrow, if I'm not mistaken. So I'll be looking for that tomorrow, and I'll come in. We'll come in tomorrow and look at the results for the 28th, okay, which is later today, right? I mean, it's almost 1 o'clock in the morning, Midwest time. So tomorrow, we'll come in and we'll check those results. It'll be before midnight, though. Okay. So just wanted to show you guys what this looks like, guys, as far as the report and what kind of traffic that we got today and if we earned any sales or any commissions. So these are the results, guys. I'll come back here tomorrow and we'll check the results. I'll show you guys how to send out some emails again as well. And we're just going to keep rinse and repeat and just keep doing this thing every day. Okay. So just wanted to show you that, guys. I'm going to end this video on that note, and I will see you guys back here tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.